Gaming session at risk because of the Unity IL2CPP Data Model DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll show you the engineering grade steps to fix your installation. Before we walk through the Unity IL2CPP Data Model troubleshooting, you can access a utility focused on providing a clean system environment. This is the Unity IL2CPP Data Model, manages the metadata and object models for Unity games compiled with the IL2CPP backend. It bridges the gap between C++ code and managed data structures. If missing, the game will crash during the loading screen with an access violation, as the runtime cannot map object types. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. The Unity IL2CPP Data Model DLL library is a specialized component of the Unity engine system, and you must reinstall the program you are trying to open to restore the internal file structure if this file is missing. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Unity IL2CPP data model file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. The version of Unity IL2CPP Data Model DLL found on most download sites is often compiled for different hardware, which can cause your CPU to work harder or crash. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. To minimize background load and improve stability, the diagnostic kit linked in the description includes Unity IL2CPP Data Model documentation. If this diagnostic helped you resolve Unity IL2CPP Data Model error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.